Banilad Organizational Chart. On top, Board of Directors, President, Attorney Augusto W. Go. Chancellor, Ms. Yvette Candice Gatuanoy. Internal Audit, Attorney Ancajas. Quality Assurance and Accreditation, Mr. Domendor Ritardo. Management Information and Communication Technology Services, Mr. James Vasquez. Legal Affairs, Attorney Lydia Ria Espana. Institutional Planning and Development, University Human Resource Development, Attorney Julius P. Pacquiao. Managing Director Finance, Attorney Rhea Lydia Espana. Purchasing, Ms. Tiago. Budget Planning, Cash Accounting, Ms. Lumigay. Student Accounting. Under the Chancellor is the Executive Vice Chancellor, Attorney Manuel Elijah G. Saraosan, and the Vice Chancellors. Vice Chancellor for Administrative Affairs, Ms. Maria Teresa. Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs Professional, Dr. Annalisa B. Son. Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs General Education, Dr. Yolanda Saison. Vice Chancellor for Business Development and Innovation is Dean Ophelia G. Mania, and under it is the Coordinators, Marketing and Linkages. And under the Executive Vice Chancellor is the Campus Director, which is Dr. Annalisa B. Son. We have here the Head Campus Quality Assurance and Coordinators, Academic Committees. Number 1, Research Ethics. Number 2, Curriculum and Development. Number 3, Textbook. Number 4, Honors. Number 5, Library. Number 6, Ranking or Promotion. Under the campus directors are the different deans, principals, and administrative support services departments. So first is the deans. Dean, College of Medical Laboratory Sciences is Ms. Lainey P. Mindahal. Dean, College of Computer Studies is Dr. Darlene L. Brigoli. Dean, College of Accountancy and Business Admin is Dr. Christopher Biore. Dean, College of Hospitality Management is Dr. Rene Osorno. Dean, College of Teacher Education is Ms. Mona Ortega. Dean, College of Tourism Management is Dr. Rene Osorno. Dean, School of Law, Attorney Rhea Lydia Espana. Next is Dean, College of Criminology, Ms. Danibel Bourbon Pablayo. Dean, College of Nursing, Ms. Mercy Milagros B. Apoje. Dean, College of Psychology, Dr. Feliciana Yap. Principal, School of Midwifery, Ms. Christy Pakebot. Chairperson, College of Electronics Engineering, Engineer Rogelio A. Lanza. Chairperson, College of Computer Engineering, Mr. Alec Ortega. Director, Technical Education Training and Assessment CTR, Ms. Nino Ardiza. And we have here the Academic Support Services Departments. Director, Research and Publication, Dr. Judy Ann Jimena. Head Registrar Department, Ms. Anisita Aguilar. Head Statistics and Evaluations, Ms. Roselita Domen. Head Guidance Services, Ms. Marjorie Pondor. Head Community Extension, Ms. Sidor Ortaz. Head Library Services, Ms. Laura Cueva. Head Student Affairs, Ms. Francis Abayata. And Coordinator, NSTP Civil Welfare, Ms. Sheila May Falor. Going back, we have here the Principal, Primary and Elementary Education Department. We have here Ms. Kim Ayan, the Principal. And the Principal for Secondary Education Department, Junior High School, is Mr. Junril Capono. While the Secondary Education Department Senior High School Principal is Ms. Malin Rafaelo Ordaz. Next is the Administrative Support Services Departments. Director, Human Resource Development, Mr. Julius Pacquiao. Head, Health and Services, Ms. Marjorie Pondor. Head, Campus Ministry, Rev. Father Luigi Kirsch Bammer. Head, Building Maintenance and Transportation, Engineer Hiseto Flores. And Head, Property Custodian, Ms. Annabeth Valencia. Number 3, Duties and Responsibilities. Board of Directors approves policies, budgets, and strategy. President leads university system, represents the school, approves major decisions. Chancellor heads the campus, ensures programs and operations follow university goals. Legal Affairs provides legal advice and ensure compliance. Institutional Planning and Development makes long-term plans and improvements. University HR Development handles staff development and training. Internal Audit reviews finances and operations for compliance. Quality Assurance and Accreditation maintains academic quality accreditation. ICT Services manages technology, systems, and data support. Managing Director, Finance, oversees financial strategy. Purchasing, buys goods and services. Cash or accounting, manages payments and records. Budget planning, prepares and monitors budgets. Student accounting, handles tuition and student fees. Executive Vice Chancellor or EVC, coordinates daily campus operations. We have here the Vice Chancellors. VC Admin Affairs supervises non-academic services. VC Academic Affairs Professional oversees professional programs. VC Academic Affairs General Education manages general education programs. VC Business Division and Innovation builds partnerships and innovation projects. Under it is coordinators, marketing, and linkage. Promote the campus programs and build relationships with companies and partners. Next is the Campus Director, oversees campus services and activities. Committees and coordinators. Coordinators academic committees, research, ethics, curriculum, and division, textbook, honors, library, ranking, or promotion. Run specific academic tasks, review research ethics, update curricula, select textbooks, manage honors and promotions. Next is Head Campus Quality Assurance, monitors and checks academic or service quality. Moving on, the academic heads, colleges and schools. Number 1, Dean College of Medical Laboratory Sciences, lead the lab science program, ensure training standards and clinical placements. Number 2, Dean College of Computer Studies, manage the computer courses, coordinates labs, faculties, and industry ties. Number 3, Dean College of Accountancy and Business Administration, leads business or accounting programs and accreditation. Number 4, Dean College of Hospitality Management, manages hospitality courses and trainings. Number 5, Dean College of Teacher Education, leads teacher training and program or practicum. Number 6, Dean College of School of Law, manages law program and bar preparation. Number 7, Dean College of Criminology, oversees criminology curriculum and training. Number 8, Dean College of Nursing, handles nursing courses and clinical practice. Number 9, Dean College of Psychology, leads psychology programs and practicum. Number 10, Principal, School of Midwifery, manages midwifery training and licensing. Number 11, Chairperson, College of Electronics Engineering, coordinate faculty labs and curriculum for electronics engineering. Number 12, Chairperson, College of Computer Engineering, lead computer engineering courses and program quality. Number 13, Director, Technical Education, Training and Assessment Center, run short technical courses and assessment programs, manage skills training. We have here the Academic Support Services departments, which help students and faculties. Director, Research and Publication, promote research, publish campus journals, and support faculty research. Head Guidance Services, provide counseling, student support, and career guidance. Head Library Services, manage library resources, help students access information. Head Registrar Department, handle student records, enrollment, grading, and graduation processes. Head Community Extension, run community outreach programs and service learning projects. Head Student Affairs, manage student activities, discipline, student organizations, and welfare. Head Statistics and Evaluation, collect data about programs, students, and outcomes, produces reports to support planning. Coordinator, NSTP Civil Welfare, run national service training programs, activities related to civil welfare. School-level principals, basic and secondary education. Principal, primary and elementary education department. Lead elementary programs, teachers, and curriculum for younger students. Principal, secondary education department, junior high school. Manage junior high school operation, teachers, and student welfare. Principal, secondary education, senior high school. Manage senior high programs, subject offerings, and assessment. Administrative support units. Administrative support services departments. Group that handles various admin functions. HR, finance, maintenance, etc. Director, human resource development. Implement HR policies, training, hiring, and staff welfare. Head, Health and Services, provide basic health services and clinics for students and staffs. Head, Campus Ministry, manage religious and or spiritual activities and pastoral care. Head, Building Maintenance and Transportation, keep buildings, grounds, and campus transport working and safe. Head, Property Custodian, track and look after campus property, equipment, and supplies. Number 4, top to bottom of what the chart shows. The very top board of directors, the president to chancellor, are the people who set the big direction and rules for the whole school. Below them are the senior managers, executive vice chancellor, managing director, vice chancellors. They run big parts of the university, academics, admin, finance, quality, etc. Under the senior managers are the campus director, deans, principals, heads, and other department leaders. These are the people who run colleges, schools, support services, and day-to-day operations. The boxes grouped together are teams or departments that do similar work. Finance, HR, library, maintenance, student affairs, etc. What does the line mean? The straight line means functional authority, the responsibility of strategic planning, direction setting, and alignment. They give expert guidance, policy, standards, or technical direction. The thick bold line signifies administrative authority, the responsibility for making day-to-day decisions that impacts on the implementation of academic programs and directions on administrative operations, in close collaboration and coordination with the executive vice chancellors and vice chancellors.